Hello students, today we are going to discuss Class 8 Rachana Sagar book English Literature chapter number 6 If. A part, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. When other men are blaming you, you should also blame them for it. False. Second point, there should be no change in your behavior in the face of victory or disaster. Answer is true. Third point, when the others are gone, you should hold on. True. Fourth point, you should be able to talk to kings differently. False. Fifth point, you should feel hurt if your enemies speak ill of you. False. Now let's move to the B section. Choose the correct options to complete the following statements. Number 1. When men begin to doubt you, you should. Answer is continue to trust yourself. Second part, when one tosses up between keeping and losing one's winnings and loses everything, one should start all over again. Third point, to fill 60 seconds of time, one should work diligently all the time. Now, C part, answer the following with reference to the context. Number 1. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. A part, what does dream signify in this line? Answer, the term dream signifies future hopes and personal ambitions that one cherishes for oneself. B part, how can dreams become a master? Answer, dreams can become a master when one strives to achieve them using means both fair and foul towards that end. C part, what will be the outcome of following this advice according to the poet? Answer, the outcome of following the poet's advice is that the follower of this path will be conqueror of the world as well as good human being. Second questions, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. A part, what does the term hold on signify? Answer, it signifies that a person must not give up the struggle simply because he has lost all his chances and stands defeated. B part, what situation is the poet talking about? Answer, the poet is talking about a situation when the person has exhausted all his options and no foreseeable way out of the difficulty he is facing. C part, what would be the person redeem himself from such a situation? Answer, the person can redeem himself in such a seemingly hopeless situation by not letting his willpower get diluted in the struggle. Now question number 3. If all men count with you but none too much. A part, what is the meaning of the term count with you in this context? Answer, the words count with you in this context means that other men have the confidence to rely on a person. B part, what does the phrase none too much indicate? Answer, the phrase none too much indicates that even when one becomes the confidant of another, there should be limits laid down and one must not become too deeply immersed in another's affairs. C part, what course of action does the poet recommend? Answer, the poet recommends a middle course of behavior wherein one acts as a friend when the other is in need but maintains distance as well. Question number 4. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch. A part, how does the poet advise the reader to deal with the crowds? Answer, when speaking with the crowds, the poet advises the reader to remain sympathetic and understanding instead of being high-handed, as they are the virtues of a gentleman while dealing with the masses. B part, how does the poet advise the reader to interact with people in high office? Answer, the poet advises the reader not to be condescending in one's manner when speaking to the people in high office. He wants them to speak as they would do ordinary folk instead of putting on airs. C part. What is normally seen in such situations? Answer. It is normally seen in such situations that people tend to lose their natural composure and talk down to people who are lower to them in status. But when speaking to people in high offices, they tend to know how to talk. Now, D section, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What should be your conduct when others doubt you? Answer. When others doubt you, you should feel confident about yourself and also forgive the people for doubting you instead of holding it against them. Question number 2. What should you do when faced with negative situations or hatred? Answer. When faced with negative situations or hatred, one should not lose one's calm and give in to temptation of hating the hate monger. When being lied about, one should not indulge in telling lies oneself. Question number 3. How, according to the poet, one can overcome the dejection over one's losses? Answer. According to the poet, one can overcome losses by beginning all over again and not fret about the loss at all. Question number 4. How does the poet advise the reader to conduct himself or herself in life? Answer. The poet advises the reader not to lose the common touch in the presence of the highborn, not to feel hurt at the behavior of friends or foes towards him, and occupy himself gainfully all through the day. Thank you. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.